Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering and positioning the tracker. Plug the included USB 5V cable or charge the internal battery so motors can spin. Once done, mount the holder on a firm tripod or clamp to a table edge. Make sure it won't wobble. Next, open the clamp fully and place your phone centered, lens unobstructed. Tighten just enough to grip. This avoids motor strain and ensures sensors have a clear view before you start pairing and calibration. Now pair the holder with your phone using the companion app or Bluetooth. You should see the device name and accept any permission requests. Once connected, test the motor by tapping the live feed pan/tilt controls so you hear small movements. This verifies communication. After that, run the face detection calibration routine. Stand at arm's length and slowly turn your head while the holder follows. Make adjustments for sensitivity so it tracks smoothly without jitter. To finish, optimize tracking by lowering sensitivity or increasing smoothing in the app so the holder predicts motion instead of overcorrecting. This reduces choppy movement. Also, position soft, even front lighting to keep facial features visible. Avoid bright windows behind you because backlight confuses the algorithm. If tracking stops or wanders, restart the holder and app, then rerun calibration. If motors stutter, check power and tighten the clamp. These steps resolve the majority of issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.